Hi there, this video is called Live Violent Thunderstorms UK 2019. If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. As they say, here we go, straight into the storm in Surrey, in the south of the United Kingdom. The storm is literally around us. It's coming up from the south, from Guildford City, right this minute. To the left there, that's a really nasty bright flash. Really quite powerful. Guildford's down that direction. Very eerie tonight. Very eerie. It's my birthday today, 24th of July. Time at the moment approximately is, whoa, 12:47 AM in the morning. What a video footage that was. What a storm this is turning out to be tonight. In the south of the United Kingdom. The storm is literally rumbling up from the south coast. It is amazingly bright. This is a mega storm, guys. Right on mega storm. Wicked. What a sight. Isn't nature amazing? If you like this video, please give me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel. And we'll carry on going. We're only on the outparts of the periphery of the storm. This is nothing to what's inside it. What's coming our way. Gosh, it's going to be quite a storm. Like me, mini tornadoes, isn't it? Yeah, mini tornadoes tonight. No joke about that. Thanks for watching this video. Bye everyone.